Creamball back again with another reaction video to Little Mix Word Up. This looks like a video from 2014, but as I'm saying, these videos are new to me. So this is from 2014, but this is a new video to me. So begin. See, them look young, bro. Them look hella young. But the funny is, them kind of still look the same. Like, even though them look young right here, them kind of still look the same. Like, for sure that they're aging very well, bro.
Your brother, your sister, and your mom too, 'cause they're about to throw down.
Yo, I really like Perrier, bro. Like Perrier, really like Perrier, bro. Honestly, God. If I didn't play on Perrier, I'm going first. I'm very sorry, guys. Sucker DJs. Yeah, this guy after you can actually exercise like jog too hard for some weight today, isn't it? What are them girls? You even in the grind? Not like them girls' voice was resonate to each other. Like when they have the same voice, it actually goes well together.
Get out!
Hey, wanna dance too? Everybody, today. Oh my God, this nigga run come through the middle. That's a nice video. You see me? Exercise. You probably watch them want exercise, they can actually exercise to this video. You see me? And really mix of them thing for a good amount of time. 8 years now, so them about 8 years strong. And that's very good for a girl group like laugh that long. You see me? Very good. 8 years? That's crazy. And them still are hit charts, successful, same way. They think that they are the biggest girl group in the world right now, honest to God. I'm not thinking you really have enough girl group, except for the Korean girl group them. But anyway guys, peace out, enough love.